Grand Bahama is also seeing some scattered clouds this morning with one or two isolated showers. We're seeing some rain between West End and the east coast of Florida. Showers around Moores Island and Gorda Key, one or two near Sandy Point. Showers up around North and Little Abaco. Central Abaco, of course, the streets are wet. Children are walking to school, but we call on you motorists to exercise some caution as you travel on the wet streets today. These winds are going to pick up 20 to 25 knots. That's because we're right along that frontal boundary, east to southeast, and small craft should exercise caution with the occasional shower occurring throughout the day. As forecast for tomorrow, that frontal system breaks off tomorrow and dissipates. We've got another stronger cold front moving down towards the south, closer to the Bahamas, and that should be a crossing over the northern Bahamas. By Wednesday or early Thursday, it will bring with it some showers and cooler temperatures for our church dedication and also for the Christmas Bazaar on Saturday. We should have a beautiful day on Saturday when this front moves through. And let me tell you, the daytime high on Saturday should be in the mid to low 70s. That's how nice and comfortable it's going to be. All right, let's take a look at the forecast for tomorrow. 15 to 20 knots, the winds drop off a little bit. North Abaco will experience 20 to 25 knots here in the central and southern Bahamas. Look for 15 to 20 knots up and down the coast of the archipelago, east to southeast winds. On Wednesday, look for 10 to 15 knots as the winds again fall off and it begins to clock around east to southeast in advance of that frontal system that should go through sometime late Wednesday or even early Thursday. And depending upon the forward speed of it will determine when it will arrive here. But you want to stay tuned to BCN in the upcoming days so we can tell you exactly what will be occurring. 10 to 15 knots across the nation for Wednesday. All right, here's your boating forecast for today. You are planning some boating. It will be choppy out there. Look at it, folks. 6 to 7 foot seas in the northern Bahamas. And as a result, folks, you will also expect some rough ocean swells occurring with 20 to 25 knots of wind out there. We ask you to kindly not venture far from port. The bay and inland waters will be just okay if you want to go do some fishing on the inland area. That's a look at your weather brought to you by our partners at Sky Bahamas Limited. When I fly, I fly.